Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to sync Google Contacts with iPhone iCloud. Syncing Google Contacts with your iPhone for iCloud use involves adding your Google account to your iPhone and ensuring contacts are toggled on, or exporting them directly to iCloud. We're going to just go ahead and sync by adding our own Google account. So go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down, hit apps, find contacts, go inside. You can see the contact account. I have 3. You can go ahead and add account, and we're going to press Google. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Gmail. Continue. And give access to iOS. I'm going to wait for a few moments. And this is crucial. Make sure to toggle on contacts, right? So this is the fastest method and easy. So make sure to toggle contacts on and hit save. And now you just added your Gmail account. So it's now synced with iCloud or iOS, excuse me. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.